Hello guys, my name is Kadiri. Welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video, I'm going to show you 5 amazing tips and tricks on Microsoft Word. So before we get started, if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please do well to subscribe. And also don't forget to turn on post notifications so that you get notified when I post a new video. Thank you. So I'm going to head over to Microsoft Word. And then the first tip I'm going to show you is use Microsoft Word to convert any PDF document. So with Microsoft Word, you can convert any document in PDF format. So I have a PDF document right here on my desktop. So this is a JPEG document in PDF format. So I'm going to use Microsoft Word to convert this JPEG document in PDF format into an editable Word document. So to do that, I'll go to Files, and then I'm going to click on Open. I'm going to browse. So I have the document on my desktop, so I'm going to go over there. So here's the document right here titled Uniben. So I'm going to click on it and then click on Open. So you are going to be prompted by this window that says, we will now convert your PDF to an editable document. This may take a while. The resulting Word document will be optimized to allow you to edit the text, especially if the original file contains lots of graphic. So I'm going to hit on OK. So here is the PDF document now turned into an editable Microsoft Word document. So now I can edit this document however I want. I can change words. I can change this imploring to, let's say, Dennis. So that's how to convert any PDF document into an editable Word document using Microsoft Word. So the next tip I'm going to show you is the Microsoft Word Translator. So with Microsoft Word, you can convert any language to another. So I have a text right here that says, I'm imploring you to avoid walking alone in dark places at night. It is better to walk in a group of friends and trustworthy persons. So I'm going to convert this text or this sentence that is in English to French. So to do that, I'm going to go over to my review. And then under review, you are going to see this translate button right here. So you're going to click on it. So when you click on it, a list of options drops. So if you are translating a section of your document, you are going to choose this one, the highlighted section of the document. But if you are translating the whole of the document, you are going to hit on this translate whole document. So in this case, I'm translating just a part of the document. So I'm going to hit on translate section. So after hitting on translate section, the right hand side of the screen, you see the translator will open, and then the first thing you see is your highlighted text that you want to translate. Then underneath it, you see here you have to select the language you want to translate to. So right here it says to English. So I'm going to change this English to French. So I'm going to look for French. So here's French right here. So I'm going to hit on French. So after hitting on French, I'm going to click on the insert button right here. And then you see Microsoft Word has translated this English sentence into French sentence. So I'm going to click on insert again to paste it on my document. So here it is right here. So there's a bunch of other languages right here you can choose from, and then you are good to go. So the next tip I'm going to show you is the copy multiple text on clipboard. Microsoft Word gives access to you to copy multiple text on your clipboard. So basically, if I copy this, if I press Ctrl C on my keyboard and copy this, Ctrl C again, Ctrl C, and Ctrl C. And then I go down underneath and I press Ctrl V, you will see that it is only the last one I copied that Microsoft pasted. But if I go to this home tab right here and under the clipboard section, I click on this little button at the bottom of it, you see that my clipboard will open and you see all the items I copied, with the first one at the bottom, the second, the third, fourth, and the last. So I have access to pasting all the text that I copied right here on my clipboard anywhere in my document. So I can choose to paste copy me here, and then I can choose to paste copy us right here, and then copy them. So it saves you time of going back to the section of a page to copy a sentence or a word and coming back to paste it wherever you want to paste it. So on the next tip, I'm going to show you how to use Microsoft Word for sorting text. So here I have a list of countries right here, but these countries are not in alphabetical order. So I can use Microsoft Word to sort this list of countries and it will be in alphabetical order. So to do that, I'm going to highlight them, and then I'm going to go to my home ribbon, and then right here you see your sort button right here. So I'm going to click on it, and then this window pops up. So you can sort by paragraphs, you can sort by texts. So I'm going to leave it the way it is right here because I want to arrange it in ascending order. So I'm going to click on OK. So you see with the sort features, I've been able to arrange my list of countries in alphabetical order. This also applies to numbers. So right here I have a bunch of numbers that I want to sort in ascending order. So I'm going to highlight and I'll go back to my sort button and I'm going to click on OK. So you see my numbers have arranged from the smallest to the biggest. So you can also do that to dates. So I have a few dates right here. So I'm going to highlight that and I'll go back to sort. And then I'm going to click on OK. So it has also sorted my dates. So the last feature I'm going to show you for this video is the using Microsoft Word to create table of content. So it saves you the time of trying to create table of content for your project or your documents, which is very hectic. So to create table of content using Microsoft Word, you're going to go head over to your references tab right here. And then on the left end of your screen, you're going to see the table of content button. So you're going to click on it. And then you can choose any of the formats right here. So I'm going to hit on this first one right here. So Microsoft Word has automatically created a table of contents for my document. So one important tip you should note is that before trying to use Microsoft Word to create a table of contents for your document, the main headings that are supposed to be in the table of contents should be in one of the style formats in your style gallery. So to get a better understanding of what I'm talking about, I have a video right here on how to create table of content automatically using Microsoft Word. So you can check that out for detailed explanation. So that's it for this video, guys. If you find this video helpful, be sure to give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel, turn on post notifications so that you get notified when I post a new video. Thank you, and I'll see you on the next one.